Our Econo sandbags are an easy and affordable way to anchor down your inflatables in situations such as school gyms where you cannot stake the inflatable into the ground. These sandbags are made out of 18-ounce vinyl, which is the same material that industrial moonwalks are made out of, so it's very durable. It has a D-ring attached to the corner so that once you fill the bag with pea gravel or sand, you can anchor it to your inflatable no problem with a carabiner. These sandbags can hold anywhere from 50 to 75 pounds, and we recommend that you actually put pea gravel in it instead of sand. It's much easier to put into the sandbag, and it doesn't make a mess, because if the bag were to open up, the gravel would come out, but if it were sand, the sand would go everywhere. It would make a huge mess, and it just isn't as easy to use. So we recommend pea gravel for that reason. These sandbags come in packs of 4, so you can get as many as you need. You should have 2 sandbags to a corner to make sure it is secure, because your inflatable should always be secured by sandbags or staked into the ground when it's inflated at all times.